Let me show you how to turn on and also how to turn off the automatic screen rotation on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and also S11 Ultra. So first, if you swipe down from your right corner, you will see these quick settings that you can toggle, and if you browse basically, you see you have this auto rotate button. So this is what it looks like. So you see if you disable it, that actually locks the tablet in this portrait mode. So you see if I actually tilt my tablet, nothing really happens. So yeah, basically this is how you can toggle basically the auto rotation here. Also check this. So even if I lock it in the portrait mode, but if I flip my tablet, essentially I will have this small icon here appear. So if I manually tap it, I can also lock my tablet basically in this landscape mode essentially. So you see, if I rotate it back, again, nothing happens. But yeah, if I rotate it back again, you see this tiny button appears. So if you press it, I can also rotate it back. Again, it works everywhere. Good luck.